Hello Lego fans, here is a Lego review of the police helicopter of the Swamp Police. And first we're going to look at the minifigure. This is a simple build of this minifigure. We've seen this figure in most sets, most police sets, so we don't have to look much about him. So let's go on here. This is one of a simple police helicopter builds. Of course the top rotates, the back one rotates, and the top, yeah. I like the floating bits they've done here. Good lights. You always need lights on a police thing. We've all seen control sticks. Good build. I'm just going to give you a look around. No real play features except this real play. And that is the end of the review. Thank you for watching. I hope I see you soon for another review.